Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how you can install WinRAR on Windows 11. So all you have to do is go to Chrome, open up a new tab, and then type download WinRAR, and then hit enter, and then click on the first result that shows. Now this is WinRAR 7.1, the latest version. So go ahead and click on it, and then download it. Click on save, and that'll go ahead and download the WinRAR from the official website. You can see win-rar.com. Okay, so that is finished. So when that has finished downloading in a moment, you can basically just click onto this and then click on yes, and then you can basically install it. I won't install it now because it will conflict with some of my other apps, but then click on install and then WinRAR will be installed. If this video helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to this channel.